esse fórum
South
empresarial.
African government for hosting this
dispensar a minha
business forum. I'd
satisfação
like to also
por
say
compartilhar
how
este
pleased I am
evento
for
com os
sharing
demais
this event
líderes
with
dos
the other
países do
leaders of the BRICS countries.
Agradeço também a
I would
todos
also
os
like to thank
empresários e
all the
empresárias
business
presentes,
people in
em
attendance,
especial
particularly
a direção
the
do Conselho
Business
Empresarial,
Council
que
Board,
completa 10
which
anos.
is celebrating its
O
10th anniversary.
estabelecimento de parceria
Establishing
entre os
partnerships among
setores
the private
privados
sectors
é uma
is a
dimensão
very
muito relevante do
relevant
BRICS
dimension for the
e
BRICS,
que dá
and
vida e
which gives
continuidade
life and
às
continuity
relações
to
entre países.
relations between the countries.
Desde a primeira
Since the
cúpula de
first
chefes de
summit
Estado
of heads of
e de
state
governo,
and government,
nossa
our
participação
share in the
na
global
economia
economy has
global
been
vem se
increasing.
ampliando. Já ultrapassamos
We have
o
surpassed
G7.
the G7 already,
Respondemos por
accounting for
32% do PIB
32%
mundial
of the
em
world
paridade de poder
GDP
de
in
compra.
purchasing power
Projeções
parity.
indicam
Forecasts indicate
que os
that
mercados emergentes em
emerging and
desenvolvimento
developing
são
markets are
aqueles
the ones
que
that will
apresentarão
show the
maior
highest
índice de
growth rate
crescimento nos
in the
próximos
coming
anos.
years.
Segundo o
While,
FMI, enquanto os países
according
industrializados
to the IMF,
devem
while industrialized countries
desacelerar seu
are
crescimento de
expected to
2,7% em
grow by an
2022
average
para
of 2.7% in 2022, dropping to 1.4 to 2024. The projected growth for developing countries is of 4% for this period. This
que o
shows
dinamismo da economia
that the
está no sul
dynamism
global
of the
e os
economies in the
BRICS
global
é
south
sua
and the
força
BRICS
motriz.
is its driving force.
O estoque de investimento externo
Brazil's
direto dos BRICS
The
no
BRICS,
Brasil cresceu 167%
international
entre
foreign
2012 e
stock
2021,
increased
atingindo
370%
34,2
between
bilhões de
2022
Hoje,
and 2029 and 2022, and in today almost 400 companies from the bloc operate in Brazil. After the 6 years of standing still, Brazil is going to create quality jobs again, it's going to fight poverty again, and will increase the income of Brazilian families. 2 weeks ago, I presented the new PAC Growth Acceleration Program. The plan provides for resuming suspended projects, accelerating ongoing projects, and also selecting new projects. It is a comprehensive program with many opportunities that may be of interest of investors from BRICS countries.
Esperamos mobilizar
We hope to
340
mobilize
bilhões de dólares
$340
para a
billion
modernização da nossa
for
infraestrutura
modernizing
logística,
our
com
logistics
investimentos em
infrastructures
rodovias,
with
ferrovias,
investments in
hidrovias,
motorways,
portos e
railways,
aeroportos.
waterways, ports and
Também
airports.
daremos prioridade à
We will also
geração de
give
energia solar,
priority
eólica,
to the
biomassa,
generation
etanol e
of
biodiesel.
solar
É
and wind power,
enorme
as well as
o
biomass,
nosso
ethanol,
potencial de
and
produção de
biodiesel.
hidrogênio verde.
We have immense potential for
Estabeleceremos
generating green
parcerias
hydrogen.
entre
We shall
governos e
establish partnerships between
em todas as
government
áreas,
and the business
sob
community in
forma
all
de concessões,
areas through
parcerias
concessions,
público-privadas
public-private partnerships,
e contratações
and
diretas.
direct contracts.
Para que
In
o
order
investimento volte a
for
crescer
investment
e gerar
to grow
desenvolvimento,
again and
precisamos
drive
garantir
development, we need to
mais
ensure
credibilidade,
more
muita
credibility,
previsibilidade,
predictability,
estabilidade
and
jurídica,
legal
política
certainty,
e social
as well
para
as
o setor público.
political and social certainty
por essa
for
razão,
the private
tenho
sector. For this
defendido a
reason, I
ideia
have
de adoção de uma unidade
advocated
de conta
the
de
idea of
referência
greater
para o comércio
financial
que não
integration,
substituirá
where we could
nossas
have a new
moedas
reference unit which would not replace our national currencies.
A necessidade de financiamento
The
não atendida
financing
dos países em
needs, the
desenvolvimento
unmet financing
continuam
needs
muito
of
alta.
developing countries
A falta de
remains high.
reformas substantivas
The lack of a substantial
instituições financeiras
reform from
tradicionais
traditional financial
limitam o
institutions
volume
limit the
e
volume
as modalidades de crédito
and
dos bancos
the
já existentes.
credit modes
A decisão
offered by existing banks. The
de estabelecer
decision
um
of
banco de
establishing
desenvolvimento
the new development
representou
bank
marco na
represented a
colaboração
milestone
efetiva
in
entre
effective
as
collaboration
economias
among emerging
Nosso
economies.
banco conjunto
Our joint
deve
bank
ser líder
must
global
be a
no
global leader
financiamento de
in the
projetos
financing of
que
projects
abordem
that
os
address
desafios
the
mais
most
urgentes do
pressing
nosso tempo.
challenges of our time.
Ao diversificar
By
fontes de
diversifying
pagamento em
payment
moedas
sources
locais,
in local
expandir
currencies,
sua rede de
increasing
parceiros
its
e
partner
ampliar seus
network,
membros, o NB
and its membership, NDB constitutes a strategic platform to promote cooperation between developing countries. In this strategy, engagement with the African Development Bank will be central to this. At the multilateral level, the BRICS stood out for being a force that works in favor of a fairer, more predictable, equitable global trade. We cannot accept the greedy neocolonialism that imposes trade barriers and discriminatory measures under the guise of protecting the environment. As of December, Brazil will hold the G20 presidency. The presence of 3 BRICS members in the G20 Troika will be a great opportunity for us to move forward on issues of interest to the Global South. We already have South Africa's participation, but the group's representativeness may be increased with the entry of the African Union and other countries of the continent.
It's just a water break.
I've been talking about developing, and then suddenly, I miss the main important source of life, water.
Queridos amigos,
dear friends, upon taking office as president of my country again, I am resuming the guidelines of Brazilian foreign policy. We started to rebuild South American integration. We have resumed our partnerships with the US, China, and the European Union. We hosted the summit of the Amazon countries. We still had to return to Africa. It is unacceptable that in 2022, Brazil's trade with Africa has dropped by 1/3 when compared to 2013, when it was almost $30 billion. Trade flow with Africa still corresponds to only 3.5% of Brazil's foreign trade. Our trade agreement network is still in its infancy. Existing agreements with Southern Africa and Egypt date from my second term. Today, over 65% of Mercosur exports to Africa went to African countries with which there is no agreement in force. There is plenty of room to grow. In addition to a past that unites us, we also share a common vision of the future. In my first 2 terms, the African continent was a priority for Brazil. I have made 12 trips to Africa and have been to 21 countries. Brazil is back on the continent where it should never have left. Africa has vast opportunities and enormous potential for growth. To discuss the relaunch of trade with the continent, Brazil brought together the heads of the trade promotion sectors of all our representations in African countries here in Johannesburg last June. Africa is building an ambitious free trade zone project. 54 countries, 1 people with over $3 trillion in GDP in this continent, which is the youngest in the world from an age perspective and will be the most popular by 2100, offers countless opportunities for Brazilian products such as food and beverages, oil, iron ore, vehicles and iron and steel manufacturers. Africa has 65% of the arable land available in the world, and it has a strong vocation for being an agricultural powerhouse with the capacity to feed its people and offer global food security solutions. Combining investment and technology, Brazil has developed modern tropical agricultural techniques that can be successfully replicated in Africa. Through the Brazilian Agricultural Research Corporation, we have turned the Cerrado into an area of high agricultural productivity, and we can replicate this experience in the African savanna. My government has also resumed public policies to support family farming, essential to fight food insecurity and hunger that affects our continent. The More Food program, which I relaunched last June, allows small farmers to have access to financing to purchase tractors, tools and harvesters. As in the past, a version of the More Food program for food should be resumed as another aspect of Brazilian South-South cooperation. Africa is also at the heart of the digital and energy transitions. Internet coverage already reaches most of the African population, and digital innovation centers and financial technology services companies are multiplying, strengthening the Brazilian health complex. Strengthening may lead to ample opportunities for cooperation with South America. The African continent has important ore reserves such as, essential ores such as lithium and cobalt that will play a strategic role. So that we do not remain as exporters of primary products, we must make the most of this opportunity to forge the integration of our production chains and add value to the goods and services that we produce in a sustainable manner. Africa is the region of the world that emits the least amount of greenhouse gases. However, this does not mean that it does not have to face the most perverse consequences of global warming, such as droughts, floods, fires, and cyclones. Brazil and many African countries have comprehensive plans to renew their energy mixes. We share the responsibility of caring for tropical rainforests and preserving biodiversity. We share the common concern of fighting the desertification process. Environmental and ecosystem services provided by rainforests to the world, they must be paid for in a fair and equitable manner. Social diversity products can generate jobs and income and offer alternatives to the predatory exploitation of natural resources. These are the pillars of the ecological transition plan that we will launch soon. For our economic and productive integration to flourish, it will be necessary to increase sea and air connections between the two sides of the Atlantic. It is inexplicable that we do not have direct flights between São Paulo and Johannesburg, Cairo or Dakar, essential for increasing the flow of people, trade and tourism. Therefore, I believe it to be very important, the proposal made by the BRICS Business Council of establishing a multilateral agreement of air services for the group with the main national transport and aviation authorities from the countries. Very relevant proposal, because the BRICS have a unique chance of shaping the global development path. You, business people, you're part of this effort. Together, our countries make up a third of the global economy. Together, our countries make up a third of the global economy. This relevance will grow with the admission of new full members and dialogue partners. Collaboration between the public and private sector is vital for harnessing this potential and achieving lasting results. Thank you very much and good luck.